I had this incredible dream when I wanted to start the Herbalife company that we could help people lose weight and we could help them do it safely, and they would have not just hope, that they would have reality through our products. And it's been so gratifying to me, because that little tiny dream that I had, serving milkshakes on the corner, has become reality. Because Herbalife is now, through our way of distributing the products, is the #1 weight loss product in the entire world.
The basics are what's important in our company. And I'm going to tell you exactly how I built my business, and this is how you build yours. #1, you use our products. #2, you wear the button. And #3, you talk to people. And the reason why you got to use the products is because the products are what get you. The products are what get you an emotional experience. The products is what actually gets you inside. But have you ever noticed people that are using our products, it's not just that they lose weight, because their systems get cleansed up, because everything happens to them. It's the glow in their eye, it's the way that they feel, it's the excitement in their body, it's the way that they act that get people to do it. Now the second thing you gotta do, and I know you've heard this, you gotta wear your button. But let me tell you what the button does for you, more than anything else. Yes, it's gonna get you customers. Yes, it's gonna help get more people involved as far as helping them out personally, as far as their nutritional needs. But I'll tell you the biggest thing this button does for you personally, as an independent distributor, when you put this button on, you say to everybody in the world, including your family, your friends, your relatives, and anybody else that might make fun of you, you say, I don't care what you think of me, I am proud to be an Herbalife distributor, and I don't care what anybody says about it. The last thing that you've got to do is you've got to talk to people. And it's just as simple as that. If there was anything else I could give you advice on, and that would just be putting perspiration on your forehead. That would be it. The people that you saw up here today, it didn't happen by magic. It didn't happen by accident. It happened because of a couple of things. They used the products, they wore the button, and they talked to people, and they worked hard. You don't get something for not doing anything.
Everything about the products is simple. Everything is great, and everything is no problem. No problem. No problem.
If you were never, ever able to make a dime in this company again, would you still be using our products, and would you still be trying to sell them to your friends, your neighbors, and everybody that you love? If you got that attitude, you'll make it.
Have a great attitude. Some distributors say, well, geez, you know, I'd have an incredible attitude. You give me one of those President's Team buttons, I'll have an incredible attitude. Get to your attitude over here. Listen, if you gave me a $700,000 check like Alan Lorenz, I'd have a wonderful attitude. But unfortunately, that's not the way it works. Here's how it works. To be successful, you have an attitude first, then the money comes. You have faith first, and then the money comes. You have incredible loyalty to the company, then it works. That's how it works. Hey, listen, you're going to have more faith in your customers sometimes than they even have in themselves. And they're going to need that guidance, and they're going to need that encouragement. Have faith in your distributors. You're going to need more faith in your distributors than they've gotten themselves. Okay? And when you have that kind of faith, there's no telling what could happen. Have the faith in your organization that it's going to work. Be consistent. And be consistent about even being consistent. I've never met anybody in my entire life, any distributor that you've ever met in your entire life, that didn't have one thing in common. And that was being consistent over and over and over and over again. Hey, listen, you're not that great at it now. Don't worry about it. Just do the best you possibly can. Tomorrow morning when you get up out of bed, do a little bit better than that. The next day after that, do a little bit better than that. The more people I talk to, the luckier I get. The more people I sign up, the luckier I get. And I'm here to tell you that the more you use the products, the luckier you're going to be. And the more you wear your buttons or t-shirts or whatever it is, the luckier you're going to be. The more you talk to people, the luckier you're gonna be. The more faith you got, the luckier you're gonna be. The better attitude you keep, the luckier you're gonna be. The more loyalty you consume up here, the better off you're gonna be. The more consistent you are, the luckier you're gonna be. Your success, where you go in life, is only limited to your own imagination and your own hard work.